schedule was pretty much having courses in the evening and having my lab work during the day. The courses are not that intensive. You can always manage them well, and because the professors are good and you get a lot of good opportunity to interact with the teaching assistants, I think the assignments are done on time. The curriculum here is different from India. It is not that you just have to read from certain books and go and give an exam. It is not like that. You need to read different books, you need to read different research articles, you need to understand the concept and then do the assignments. And once you have done all the three things beforehand, doing the assignment is not that difficult. In my course, there were around 10 mandatory courses and other courses had to be elective. So you have to complete 33 credits, out of which 10 courses you have to take at some point during your master's degree. And the other elective courses you can always select from different departments also. Like you can take, in my department, you can take courses from Department of Biology, Biotechnology, Nanotechnology. While selecting the courses, just make sure you speak to someone who has taken that course and get a brief overview and keep a track of how much you're going to spend on that credit during that semester. What you all can do is read a lot. There is no really necessity to take other online classes. All you need to do is just open up research articles, open up research websites, and see what is going. So you need to understand that you need to keep a track of what all is going in the industry and just be aware. The courses are readily available, but sometimes all you have to do is register on time. Otherwise, the class becomes full and you have to take them the next semester. If you don't get those courses, no, you don't really need to worry. You can always take them in the subsequent semester. But it's always good to plan and keep mindset that okay, I'm going to take this many courses this semester, and really plan your work. A lot of students from my department take more number of courses in the first and second semester, so that when they are on their internship or co-op in the second year, they don't have to deal with the stress of having a lot of courses to deal with. It is basically the science of medicine, and it involves a wide range of research, from designing the drug to their synthesis to formulating them and to actually studying how it acts in the body. People who have studied pharmaceutical sciences not only do the synthesis or formulation of the drug, many of them are in a major biotech startups or so basically at the end of the day, pharmaceutical science is a broad range and there's a lot of scope in different areas for people majoring in this arena. It is not that difficult. All that you again have to do is just read a lot of books, read a lot of research articles, group study, talk to your teaching assistants, and understand the concept well. And once you have a clear concept, I don't think cracking the exam and getting a good GPA is anything that difficult.